Let's take a closer look at the key features inside a Feeturre Collabathon. In this video, I'll walk you through the Collabathon dashboard, including participants, rules, and how to post updates. Start by opening the Participants tab. Here, you can view the full list of artists who have joined the challenge. Next, go to the Rules tab. This section outlines the official guidelines, judging criteria, and submission requirements for the event. Now, open the Creation Gallery. This section remains locked until the winners are officially announced, ensuring a fair competition. If you are the creator, navigate to the Updates tab. This is where you can communicate directly with your participants. Enter your update title and message, then click Publish. Your announcement will go live instantly. Once published, participants will see your update on the event page. This helps keep everyone informed and engaged. Explore Collabathon features and share updates effectively on Feeturre.